Hi dear friends, I'm Regina Sellers and I'm the creator of all of the Probo products. Today I would like to introduce you to our very newest product, Probo the Stand. I will be showing you in this very short little video all the different features of our new stand that I know you are going to enjoy. The first feature that I would like to point out to you is, as you can see, I have it set up as a floor mount. If you look right here, you'll see here, and of course you can see right through. Of course, all three of the legs you can take right off, and now it becomes a tabletop mount. The next feature that I would like to point out to you is it's sturdy. One of the problems that I had with the typical wreath stand that you could buy on the market now is that they had that little chain in the back and it would just tip over all the time whenever I was using it. So watch this. Look at this. Look at the little tables. You have a table at the top, you have a table at the bottom, it hooks to the back leg. Y'all, it just doesn't get any more sturdy than this, okay? I know you're going to enjoy this feature. And let me show you something else. This is a 25-pound weight that I'm kind of having a hard time holding. So let's let the wreath stand hold it. How's that? Y'all, this is incredibly sturdy, and I'm going to show you just in a moment why this feature is going to be so incredibly wonderful for you. The next feature that I would like to point out to you is how the bars are positioned. Notice the slots in the legs themselves, okay? What you'll be able to do if you're a very tall person, you can just raise your bars all the way up. If you're a short person like I am, you're going to move all of your bars down. So why would you want to do that? Watch. The purposes of this, and what I really needed for myself, because I'm getting older and I've had a shoulder injury, lots of surgeries, I need to keep my work surface at kind of like tabletop, okay? At all points of my wreath, okay? So, and this is a very comfortable position for me. I can do this all day long. So when I'm working on the bottom of my wreath, I will hang it from the top. When I'm working on the middle of my wreath, like in this position here, see how it's at this position for my arms and my shoulders? Then I'll hang it here. Whenever I want to work on the top of my wreath, see, it's just that easy, just that fast. And then now I can work on the top of my wreath. I can work all day long because I can position my wreath in just a snap of the finger or just a move of my hand. Here, 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 just that fast. But I keep my working position always at this point. And I think you're just gonna love this feature. It's gonna take all the stress off of your shoulders. You can be able to be just like me and be able to work just all day long with no stress. Doesn't make you tired. You can just move it all the way around. So now you can see I have my beautiful wreath finished. One of the problems that I really wanted to solve was a way to be able to get to the back of my wreath without the legs of the stand that I had in my way and blocking my view. So watch this. I'm going to take my wreath and I'm going to move it all the way out to the side leg. Now, look how much of my wreath is completely clear to me that I can now work on. As you can see, I have a few a few little glue drips I want to make sure that I get off. I might have a steel pick or two that's stuck all the way through. I can see there's one right there. I now have my tools right here where I can just grab them. Whenever I want to take care of a steel pick, maybe that's come all the way through, I don't cut them off. I use my needle nose pliers. Here they are, just at my fingertips. I turn my steel picks under, okay? Then look at this feature. Here's my glue gun. I can now just grab my glue gun. I can turn under a pick. I can take some of my hot glue. I always use a glue gun from the back because it has the long nose. I can get into my wreath anywhere I need to. Whenever I turn a steel pick under, I always put some hot glue over it, kind of rubberizes it, make sure it stays in place really well. And so now my hot glue gun is just within my reach. That's why we have the little pads here. To get your little drips. Whenever I'm done clearing up this side of my wreath, I will just take it, move it over to this side on these bars. Let me come all the way over. And as you can see, this entire side now is ready for me. My stand itself is not in my way at all, and now it's ready for me. I can clean up this whole side and prepare it for a very professional look. So I hope you have enjoyed all of the features of our brand new product, Probo the Stand. And the most important point of all, it is proudly made right here in Houma, Louisiana, proudly made in the USA. Thank you all so very much. You can purchase our product from our website, probothehand.com, and we stand behind our products 100%. Thank you all so very much.